In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Blackbox AI here in Visual Studio Code. So first of all, make sure you have a Visual Studio Code, and then on the left side, you will see there the extension. So you'll need to click on that. So click this extension, and then on the types box, search for Blackbox AI. So make sure it's the official Blackbox AI. So in order to know that, so you'll need to check for the number of downloads. As you can see, it have a million of users downloaded, and then wait for it to finish the installation. So once it's done, it will automatically open on the left side. You will see there a, so as you can see, it loads up on the left panel. So yeah, that's it. It automatically opens, and now you can start coding using Blackbox AI. And that's it. That's how you download Blackbox AI here in Visual Studio Code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.